Come on!
Wormy grumble!
So what is the backstory to Biomutant?
Okay, so we're in a post-apocalyptic world,
Right.
and it's not like a bomb went off. It's like oil has seeped through, and oil is, everything is dying.
So that explains the floor right here, because it's quite dark. Like we're in like a forest or something,
Yeah.
but you can see it's quite oily.
Yes.
And we've obviously straight away, the first thing I had to do was make a choice. And there's some sort of karma system.
Yes. So interestingly, obviously Dave has got hands-on with the game, but I'm sort of the one that saw the presentation, which is why the two of us are doing this. So it has a karma system, and it's a very easy to understand karma system. I'd call it the red and blue system.
It was literally like a black and white, sort of
It is.
yin and yang kind of a thing.
Minus
going on.
10 or plus 10. And this does affect the story, because your karma will affect how people see you, the options you have when you are talking to people.
Okay.
And of course, because the ending is very open. So for example, there are 6 tribes, and
Okay.
you can choose to unite them or destroy them. You can choose to become some scary big boss. And again, all your karma has an effect on all of this.
So what is this game? Like if we break it right down, it's kind of an open world
Adventure?
with kind of like it's quite in-depth combat.
Rob said Devil May Cry combat.
Devil May Cry combat, that's what I was looking for. It's like, is about combinations, is about, it's not just like your attack is square. As I think you will have seen in that sort of tutorial section, there are loads of different button combinations.
We had, in fact, in Beyond Good and Evil 1, when the characters were getting out of the hovercraft. So here we have that monkey, which is my playable. Just to give you a feeling of scale, that ship is about 20 meters long, and the other one, the mother ship, is about 400 meters long. I'm going to go close to it so that you can see the size. So when we have large spaceships like that, the good thing, the interesting thing is that they are a real level of gameplay. You can go inside. We have interiors for those big ingredients. So imagine I'm at the beginning of the game. I'm starting the game. I have nothing. Another very interesting thing here is the feeling of scale. Here we know that the players they will explore everything. They will want to go everywhere. So we need to handle large scale ingredients like that huge statue. Something interesting about the scale and the feeling of scale. So I'm going to land on the top of the statue and you will realize how big it is. So here we have a wonderful vista.
Sonic, how I hate him. And all of that loathing has been focused into this invincible instrument of destruction.
You may call me Infinite.
Eggman's forces have chewed through our defenses at Green Hill.
Eggman's army has everyone terrified. Here goes, partner! I can't do this alone, even though I...
Sonic, you take the lead. Rookie, just make sure you take good notes.
Let's see what we can do. Together, me and you. Can't be afraid to try. Kiss up is goodbye, no looking back.
In just 3 short days, my plan will eliminate the bothersome lot of you.
Fine. I will teach you fear, then pain.
We have to show them that strength doesn't just come from numbers.
Let's go!
Together we can show the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you. Push me through until the battle's won. No one's gonna get something to us. Into each other
When we join forces, the sky's the limit.